Hello and welcome back, folks. Today we're making a roast of rib of beef and all the trimmings. This is going to include the Yorkshire pudding, roast potatoes and maple syrup glazed carrots. Making a roast dinner is not difficult as long as you're prepared. So if you're ready, let's go. Prior to roasting meat, it should always be brought out the refrigerator about an hour beforehand and allowed to come up to room temperature. I also like to start off the cooking process prior to roasting by browning the outside of the beef and caramelizing the fat. Form a trellis in the roasting pan by using cut onions and place the beef on top. Season the beef with salt or optionally some mustard powder. How long you roast a rib of beef for depends on how well done you like it. Start off with cooking it for 45 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. It's also well worth investing in a meat thermometer. Generally speaking, if the temperature in the center is at 60 degrees Celsius, it will be rare. At 70, it will be medium, and at 80 degrees Celsius, it will be well done. Next, we're going to make the Yorkshire puddings. These are so easy to make and they taste way better than the frozen ready-made ones. Start off by adding 70 grams of plain flour into a mixing bowl. Form a well in the center of the flour and break in 2 eggs. Stir the mixture together and pour in 100 milliliters of milk. Add a teaspoon of duck fat into each cup of a cupcake tin and heat up in an oven set at a high temperature. Cook at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes and the Yorkshire puddings will magically rise. To make the roasted potatoes, boil potatoes in salted water until they're soft enough to pass a knife into easily. Drain the water and then coat them in plenty of duck fat, rosemary and garlic. Duck fat is superb for making roast potatoes. Let me know if you agree. Then roast them at 200 degrees Celsius for about an hour. If you want a more detailed video on how to make roast potatoes, I'll leave a link. To make the maple syrup roasted carrots, first parboil them for 7 minutes, then roast them for 30 minutes in olive oil, maple syrup and some salt and parsley. So that's how you make roast rib of beef and all the trimmings. I know that there's plenty of other sides that you can have with roast beef, such as roast parsnips or even stuffing. Let me know what your favourite side dish is. So until next time, see ya!